What is that?
Okay, so it's installing the files.
I'm cold.
You say
Finish.
you're cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm in Canada, bro.
Just because it not snowing,
Alright.
that's not mean someone cold.
Share my
Mad
screen.
though. We now have heat up there now.
So,
Right now, I'm literally like have my blanket and everything because it's cold.
hey, my skin have my face.
Oh
Didn't you
shit.
set your thumbnail that way?
Okay, y'all, let's play one more game on the Jackbox parties because, or let's play another game for because it says 3 minutes and oh, it's moving fast. Okay, wait.
You got that 5G internet.
That first world country internet. Which it
Even
was
though that
me.
there's internet, like there's a whole thing where there are certain places in the US that don't have internet.
It's pretty awful in some places, to be honest.
Yeah, I was watching Patriarch Actor and it was a whole thing. Apparently, like the devil.
Yeah,
Can you guys hear?
Comcast doesn't want to like give better Wi-Fi. So when they
AT&T
take
no
matters into
Comcast.
their own hands,
I swear,
Comcast tries to stop them.
I swear I upgraded like 50 meg and nothing changed.
You're
Man.
supposed to change things like you do yourself. Either certain states or counties apparently that decided to provide their own Wi-Fi for cheaper and better. And then Comcast was like, no, you can't do that and try to like stop. Oh, did you guys
Yeah, they got the government involved.
Did you guys hear that this Jamaican, he basically created history? They've had a murder and he committed their first one in a Huh?
Like a whole century, like literally?
Literally, it's been 100 years since they've had a murder in the county. And the
Jamaican just kill somebody.
and kill somebody.
Hey.
I'm surprised.
I don't know. It's like he was
Wait,
supposed
is
to
it a
meet him to
Jamaican
buy
or
a
is it a...
car, and it somewhere went wrong, and it ended up that him all cross state lines to go bury him body.
Jeez. That
Was
make
he
it
like,
into a
is he like a
federal
born
crime.
Jamaican or born to Jamaican parents?
Exactly.
They said
There's a
Jamaican.
huge
I don't
difference.
know. There is a difference here, but
More than likely,
no,
born
no,
to
no,
Jamaica.
no. He was born in Jamaica because they say he came from Clarendon.
No,
Oh.
that means.
And I mean, him could have migrated when him a little pin.
He still
Wait,
born in
that means
Jamaica.
Still born Jamaican. If you're born in Jamaica, then I'd consider you to be Jamaican. But the people over here
I have a
being
question.
Jamaican or just
People who
descendants.
are born from Jamaican parents, do y'all consider them Jamaicans, but like they weren't born in Jamaica?
No.
No.
I don't consider people that migrate to the young. I don't consider them full Jamaican either.
Yeah, because them
So-
really experience the
If
culture.
you have Jamaican parents and you embrace the culture, then that's fine. But I'm not just going to automatically consider
The
you.
greatest piece of ignorance I've experienced over here is a quote Jamaican, meaning an American born from Jamaica.
Why am I still
He was
hearing?
asking me some kind of bullshit about you guys have
Everything above a
But
road
not
is
not
really
just
dumb.
Americans, right? It's the
parents.
parents that
His parents came from Oteria, he said.
but sometimes the parents them where you know them make it seem like
The
Jamaica
backwards thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
But like Americans really feel like they're the best.
Some
Y'all are really dumb. Even the other day when Beyonce did a whole Afro beat thing, they're just like, oh, Americans brought Afrobeat to the world. Like, bro, no, you didn't. Everybody knew about Afrobeat before, you know. A true Beyonce do you know? They must say, oh, them make it popular. I was watching this video. I think
Welcome to the
Jubilee, and they were like, oh, Trump supporters versus like Democrats.
Hey.
And everyone's like, oh, America's the greatest country in the world.
Whoops, wrong
Constitution
thing.
lets us like.
Excuse me?
America is not the best country in the world. They believe they are because they have a constitution that says they can speak freely. I was like, but there's a whole
Everybody else can.
Didn't some there do a whole list of the best countries in the world and America is not even top 10?
They're not.
Duh. Not
No,
surprised.
America considers themselves. Well, actually, I don't know if it's true, but I don't know if you guys ever heard of this guy named Jim Jeffries, but he was basically saying it's funny how America considers themselves the land of the free when they have the most incarcerated people per capita in the world.
Who is
True,
talking?
But it's
Was that
profitable.
Dimel?
And most of them
Yes.
incarcerated are black people. I watched a whole documentary on that, you know.
So what we're doing?
Easy
We're waiting
target.
on the screen, on the game.
Not them to
Watching
incarcerate
streaming
people with good
now.
lawyers.
This was fun.
Hey, hey, new game.
Alright.
Get
Alright, so start.
So which one we playing?
I see one that named Idiots.
City.
Hey!
Hey,
So like to play the idiot.
We can't play Fibbage.
what's Fibbage about
Why?
again?
I feel like
Yeah.
if you play against Jana, then you're going to break her trust with me, and I don't want that.
Nigga, you're simping. Simp.
What is wrong with this boy?
Simp.
Oh my god.
what is that?
Which game do we want
Sammy,
to
it
play?
sound like you struggle with your
One
internet.
more simping.
I can't hear anything. What?
Do y'all see that? Do y'all see what it says?
What is
Yeah.
One
Yes, we can
more
see.
players.
What?
It
All of
says
these?
no, 3 to 8. Okay, okay.
Go on Quiplash.
Like 3 to 8. Okay.
Do Quiplash.
I'm trying to finish.
Why is it doing this?
Civic is so much players.
Is it picking up?
AAAK. Send from the AAAK.
Oh crap, I didn't put in the code. AAAK.
Oh, I'm so cute and yellow.
Got everybody?
No.
Sammy not going to join that whole thing.
Yo, Sammy, what you do with you?
Ah, that's it then.
Some look like she's supposed to be in that Inside Out movie.
Oh, hold on, we can't hear Sammy, your sound low.
Ready.
Quick flash. Extra life.
Listen to the rules.
We know you have many choices when it comes to games, and we're happy you chose Quiplash. Oh, good. I'm just relieved that Mackenzie isn't playing after that stunt she pulled last week.
What Mackenzie
To
do?
it, remember, anybody can join the audience at any point during the game.
You can't turn it up?
This is
Okay.
round one. You'll get 2 prompts on your device. Just answer them however you want. Your responses or quips will be pitted against someone else's, and everyone will vote on their
Yeah, my
favorites.
stream is
Is that an open
delayed.
thing?
The percentage of people who like your answer, and a bonus if you get more votes than your opponent.
Now, the same thing I some kind of boat this.
Yeah.
Not really. You have to pick the best.
I'm just gonna go up.
Oh.
Is this one question?
I don't like it.
Oh.
I don't like this one.
I don't like this.
I don't know this.
I don't understand.
Basically, look on your phone, you see a prompt, you try to put an answer that you think would get a better vote
I'm
than
gonna
the
get
opposite
hated
person.
for.
Don't
I'm
read
gonna
out
hate
your
it for-
prompt.
Yeah, I'm gonna get hated for writing that.
I'm not going to get votes here
So I just me and Ramando.
because we submit both our answer. It's 2 by the way, so hurry up. It's 2 prompts.
I didn't realize it was 2.
Okay, so.
Wait, where am I? I'm on a...
Channel your inner Spider-Man for this quiz.
The second one I put no effort in.
I put no effort in it.
In neither of them.
Start this show. Starting things off.
Sam, is that you on the stream?
Completely snap during the weather forecast.
Is that you? Something to what mind my if he completely stopped doing that.
It's actually funny.
I like this one.
Dominic made that one, but
Yeah, it's Dominic. Oh, really?
Thank you guys.
That was actually funny.
Next up,
That's gonna be.
the best place to bury all those bodies.
Okay, no.
Somebody type that, by the way.
Oh my god.
Somebody type that.
What the heck?
Come on. Wait.
Not bad. That was Dimmel. Of course, it's Dimmel.
Jimmy!
Of course.
Next,
You have something you want to tell?
hold a family reunion. Vote on your device.
That's not very. Which one would be weird? This one.
So Romana just chose New Beach.
Imagine yeah, family reunion and about
Shayna, you know me so.
Oh, thanks, guys.
Next in line, a great pet name for a parasitic worm that lives in your ear. Time to
Oh!
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yes. Just because.
That's Dimmel again. Oh. You notice all the man them vote for that?
You know, girl.
You notice all the man vote.
something you should not
Nigeria, that was very sexist. I cannot believe it.
Nigeria for the love man.
That's Dimmel. Dimmel.
Already. Drop a part.
That, you definitely should not do that. Tomo, eh?
I voted for that.
I tried, Cheyenne, I tried.
And next is something you should never say to your mother.
Don't judge me.
It's voting time.
Well,
I know this is you. I'm not getting votes on my own. Trust me.
Just piece of damn what you voted for.
A rejected Monopoly game piece.
Uh-huh.
Vote on your
How
device.
spell Pegaso?
Hey, girl.
But the hat is a Monopoly game for years.
I didn't see. That's why I got so confused.
I can't put that on.
I can't spell, guys. Leave me alone.
Or should I just vote for me just because it
Next one. A bad place for your rocket ship to crash would be the planet of the blank.
This is like
Time to vote.
The apps?
What is that?
These are both bad.
I feel like it's supposed to be apes.
you know,
No.
I'm not voting for him. I'm
I
not
didn't want
voting
to
for him.
vote.
You guys don't get my humor.
You have to vote.
I just picked one.
You
No,
don't
it's
have
time
to.
out. I'm not to vote.
You don't have to.
Now pay the
It don't make
You guys
sense.
don't get my humor.
You need apes, right?
No.
Ups, ups,
That's
ups.
round one. Let's take a look at the scores.
Is it
I'm
like
in
a
last
rocket
place.
right?
I'm in
Wait,
last.
what?
Oh no. Never
Yeah.
mind.
Why? Go on with yourself.
I think this gonna be double.
To make it interesting, I'm doubling all the point values.
I'm not gonna be funny. I'm not gonna try to be funny now.
Yeah, that mega dinner.
Why, you can be funny? What is that? I need to Google a name.
I'm tired.
Google a name.
Wait, how much time I have when I was there, Rashid?
Exactly.
This is hard, guys. This is hard.
It is very hard. I don't know these people.
I put zero effort.
I don't know these people.
How much time I have now? Okay, I have time.
against somebody who did kill.
Oh yeah, you got 25 seconds remaining.
Okay. Actually try this time.
I didn't.
I did not.
I spelled it wrong, guys. I hope you get it.
Come on.
No, we're marking for grammar and spelling.
The worst family secret that could come out over Thanksgiving dinner.
Meaning, mining move, it will go by its time. Come letting go. In the meaning, mining move.
That's really cool.
Yup, Jamaicans. Shit.
Yo,
We're going for I am
I
a
voted for
jacket.
you, Shirley.
We're going for I am a jacket.
I voted for you, Shirley.
Coming up next, name the 8th dwarf who got cut at the last minute.
Good one. Good one.
Quiplash.
What the hell?
Quiplash.
And that's what the flash means.
Yeah, get extra point as well.
A new name for kumquats.
Okay.
Voting time.
Alright, not bad, not bad.
Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. Think about it.
Nigeria ball growth.
Can someone go on my stream and tell me if they're hearing my voice, please? Or
Yeah,
your
we're hearing your voice.
can you guys hear you?
An inventive way to get rid of head lice.
Guys, I'm carrying.
Time to vote.
That works.
Period.
Dimel. It's Dimel.
What is that bouquet?
She said bouquet.
You don't know what's double cock?
Google it.
And next, you remember Michelangelo's Mona Lisa 2, which was a painting of blank.
Shit, is that you? I thought that was funny.
Second quick flash.
Okay, next one. A thought that keeps
What the hell?
awake at night.
I just look up the Bukaki thing. Very nasty.
What the hell?
Why would you do anything they tell you?
Yeah, wake at night.
Una need Jesus.
We're up there, young lady.
Hey.
Sorry.
Next up, a movie that should never be made into a theme park ride.
Here we go.
Time to
What's this called?
It's almost been porn, guys.
Four.
Boo.
Yes, but that's alone now.
That's not in the movie. Quiplash.
Could be a movie.
Hey,
Could be a movie. Taste to know. Jesus Christ.
Okay, next one. What really happened to Amelia Earhart?
Fly.
First one to fly.
Yeah, she.
But she got lost.
Guys, that was an accident.
She actually flew over the Pacific.
She's the first woman to do it.
But didn't like her plane disappear or something?
Pretty sure you know.
Flying woman actually got
Did I not
what?
vote? I thought I did.
Watch me
Round
be in
2
last
is now
place.
complete. Let's see who can.
I'm not in last place. Come on. Not last.
Me there, like.
Probably last. Damo there.
Damo last. Yeah, Damo.
Yeah, she was pretty.
Hey,
Oh, no,
third.
I'm not. Oh, no, I'm not.
Third.
Oh.
It's now round 3.
The last slash.
Okay, I'll try this time.
Triple. And your,
Everyone get the same prompt, by the way. Everybody get the same thing.
your prompt is a poor substitute for a necktie.
Hmm.
I feel like everyone is gonna pick the same answer.
I feel like this is a terrible answer.
Same. But whatever.
Mine too.
I tried.
I did
Mine
know.
lamer. Mine lamer.
Let's vote for the lamest one.
No.
You know, put
Pity
no
points,
it's
please.
predictable.
Who never
Who
vote?
this don't put nothing? Who never put nothing?
Okay,
Me.
this round you have 3 votes to give to players.
I was going
Vote
to
for
say a
one
dog
player
leash.
or spread them out.
What the hell?
Dominic?
You get to vote first, second, and third.
Please vote. Dominic? Jesus.
Why Dominic do?
14 seconds to vote.
My ass. Okay, that's you now.
You guys should read the
Damn. Why am I last so long? I thought I was going to be last.
I'm last.
Dominic.
I didn't get a vote, right? I did not get a vote.
Okay, there you go.
That was an option.
I guess the more
If that was an option, I would pick that.
Did you guys really not vote for me? But you guys vote for rope.
Really? Wanna put that?
Okay. That who's here from? That's
I get more than just simple
that's
roll?
Dimmel.
Wow.
Of course.
Very nice.
Why no vote, please?
So
Why
who
no
win?
vote,
It's over.
good for a necktie.
Final scores.
Who win?
I'm in last place.
I'll take third. I'll take third.
What?
I didn't even budge a while ago.
Yeah, because you're trash.
Kevin Hart was funny.
How did that music based sense of you?
Wait.
Exactly, Dimmel. How?
It's because I fucked the first round because I didn't know how the game was played. I was like,
Alright.
We're going again?
Yes,
See, it's a different game. CR, Tuesday.
a different game.
This is Fibbage.
Well, CR.
GG.
Oh, I thought I could test them out.
Again?
No.
Two more.
You have to just pick one.
Two more.
Gonna join it.
Drama.
How this
And
Someone of
divide?
I'm picking my thumb.
Oh, this is my first proper stream. Too bad my face cam can't show.
Welcome, my name's Cookie. Or is that the first lie?
Or did I turn it off? I think I turned it off.
8 people. Wow, this is more than I expect at my funeral. Oh, and anyone who wants to get in can be in the audience. You can play along for your own personal score and vote for your favorite lies.
Voila.
Let's do this.
Ready.
This is round 1, and that means you get 500 points for everyone you fool with your made-up answer. And you'll get 1,000 for finding the truth. And everyone gets a defibrillator, which removes all but 2 answers on any question. Save it for a tough one. All right, pick a category. Okay, here's your first question. Archaeologists in 2015 discovered an ancient
Wait, these are
Mayan
real
mural
questions.
that depicts the world's first recorded instance of blank. Now, use your device to enter a bluff that you think will fool the other players into thinking it's true. If you get stuck, for half the points,
Oh, I
you
know
use
what
the
I'm going
Right
for.
Me button and get a suggestion.
How long do we get? Oh shit.
I think I have a good answer.
I have a bad answer.
Hurry, hit the live for me button if you can't think of
Hit
something.
live for me if you don't. Okay.
Okay, now find the truth and enter it on your device.
Human sacrifice is too obvious.
Pick something. Okay, let's take a look.
Wow, good lie, bro.
What? Really? You got the lead.
The Mayans.
I know it's not the Mayans, but people
Mayans,
think
you
it's
did
the. Well, I don't remember their name.
I think that's right.
Pizza. Pizza.
Okay. Who's one turn?
You guys went for the boring answers, didn't you?
Exactly. Yes, it's so answer.
That makes sense.
Like they were too obvious to be correct.
Exactly.
Something you might be interested in.
Photobomb. So no one choose my lie.
I was gonna
The
say
hardest
that.
part about photobombing a painted mural is not to die of thirst during the 3 weeks it takes to create it. And nobody picked any of these other lies.
Damn.
No points.
Photobomb painting.
The man, with,
Photobomb.
the man were too smart for these people.
I tell you, bro.
Select a category.
Oh. I'm not gonna give one to Dumbo because I feel like I'm not their favorite person right now.
Okay, here's the question.
You're never my favorite person.
Former Utah TV pitchman Super Del Shanzi was put on trial for the crime of blank while riding his motorized paraglider through the air. Enter your lies now. Hurry up, use a suggestion if you can't think of anything.
Whew, that was close.
Okay, there's a truth out there. Find it.
I know the truth.
Y'all are nasty.
You are?
How is that a truth and it's even spelled invasion wrong? Like, we're not getting
Them dons. The 3 people who vote for that.
Never realized you said it right.
I was
Serious?
I'm not getting points again.
Yeah.
Wow, good light, Tamoy.
Thanks, guys.
What?
Is that a crime?
And that means
Wait,
some of these didn't get picked.
Damn. Is that a crime?
Like 3 different people put pissing. Y'all are nasty.
Hold on again.
Because it's plausible.
I'm not getting points.
Well, at least I got the truth. I mean, the reason I picked that one is because nobody else. I wouldn't expect anybody to put that. Harassing an owl.
Exactly. Harassing our own.
Okay, here's the question.
Yeah, that's why I picked it. I was like, nobody else says that.
600 people by the online dating service Scout found that strangely, people who blank have more sex than people who don't. Input your lies now.
You need to pick.
Hurry, hit the live for me button if you can't think of something. Okay,
So
take
hard.
a look and find the truth.
People who left-handed, that makes sense.
This is.
That was hard.
Let's see what everybody selected.
Really? Really?
Why they keep giving it away to someone?
That's a good lie.
That was really good. That was definitely enough.
That's not it.
Why the
So
why
Jamaican.
not?
I'm
Why
so
not?
Jamaican.
No, I accidentally touched it. That was
Frick.
not what I wanted to touch.
So no one's voting for me.
Period.
Grilled cheese.
And the rest of the board goes
I
unselected.
should have voted for that one. Why didn't I vote for that one?
You know, I was going to put it, but I was just like, no, this is so stupid.
Stupid name.
I'm not gonna draw me out again.
I'm
No,
just.
Roman, go on.
I'm not good at lying, guys. I'm not good at lying.
Now it's round 2, where all point values are doubled. Don't let
Okay.
that defibrillator sit unused. It disappears after round 2.
What is it now?
Alright, pick a category.
Fear.
Of course.
Monk.
It's time for another installment of Diagnosis.
This is unfair.
Love the show.
Arachibutyrphobia is a disorder in which a person has an irrational fear of blank. Write your lies now.
Oh crap.
Hurry up. Use a suggestion if you can't think of anything.
Not gonna pick.
Okay.
Somebody didn't.
Oh shit, I picked the wrong kid. Fuck.
Okay, what did everyone pick?
At least I got one.
That was an accident. I didn't mean to pick that one.
I think I
What?
got the truth.
I didn't get the fucking,
Please be the truth. Of course.
Oh, okay, great.
Exactly.
Unselected.
That's way too specific to be somebody. Points. I'm not last.
Damn, I got all the way down.
I'm not last.
Third.
Man. Wow.
Select a category.
Dun, 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 dun.
Come on, Fuzzy. No one wants Peppa Pig. Peppa is so annoying.
Broadcasting Company banned an episode of the popular children's series Peppa Pig because it sent the message that blank were not to be feared. Type in your lies now.
Tun, 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 tun.
I pick a bad lie.
I think
I like very bad.
Hurry, hit the lie for me button if you can't think of something.
What happened if you say the truth?
Fair enough.
Okay, here are your choices.
put you.
Who put black people?
going there.
Who chose? That's such an obvious lie.
Exactly.
I didn't know what
Hey, got him.
Seriously, we could have done that.
Stranger danger. True. Yes.
That's the truth.
Yeah.
I'm glad I know that. I'm glad I
There's a
knew
lot of
that.
deadly spiders down there.
The pedophile was too bait.
Yeah, that's why I was.
You couldn't just agree with me, man.
That was my.
Like, though, I really
From
want
last
it.
to first, look at that.
All the way at the end though.
From last to first.
Wow.
Wow, Ramanda.
Consistently second.
Yes, we're voting though, guys.
Coming around that game, yeah.
It's allowed too much mobility.
Okay, here's the question. In a surprising 2008 survey by Ask Jeeves, it was found that a whopping 58% of British teenagers thought blank was real. Put your
What
lies
did they
now.
think? If you're watching the live stream, drop a like.
Hurry up. Use a suggestion if you can't think of anything.
I can't think of anything.
So just you have no 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Somebody didn't.
I didn't get
Alright,
it.
where's the truth?
That's a good answer. This is a good answer. Whoever did that's a good answer. Vote.
Alright, let's see what everybody picked.
Yeah.
That's so obviously a
I
lie.
hate myself
That's
for
so
picking that.
obviously a lie.
What the hell?
That's a Jamaican thing.
What did I pick that?
Minus.
That is real.
It's not real.
That's the truth.
I was going to pick Sherlock Holmes.
Hey.
I was going to pick Sherlock Holmes, you know. I should have went with Monk.
Hey.
Someone named Benedict Cumberbatch is real. And nobody picked the other lie.
But I'm like, why would they think he's real though?
Come in and get a point. You not get a point. You from there 2,500. Hey, from last time you had the bottom, you know.
Why for that? Final feedback.
Final fibbage.
Fibbage.
One final question.
Like I said, for bars.
Y'all said it first, don't let.
Take a look at your final fibbage question. The
Fibbage.
strange nickname of New Zealand's national basketball team. Enter your lies now. Hurry, hit the lie for me button if you can't think of something.
This question wasn't a very good question.
Okay, which one's the truth?
There's some good ones.
Okay, let's take a look.
I'll take it.
Okay.
So where does Kiwi thing come from? Thanks, guys.
Kiwi star.
I bet some not get a point.
I think it's not there.
Kiwi's from
You're dumb.
Animal.
Shoot!
Is it Uranus?
It's like their version of the lobster bird.
And it's also a fruit.
Tall blacks.
It's up with kiwi though.
The tall blacks, right?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, it has to be the tall blacks.
How? It didn't have to.
No, them team color is black.
How do you know that?
Because of cricket.
How cricket come into this?
Shanna really come take first place.
Oh, I watched.
No, you asked me how I know that their team color is black.
Proves so you can't trust them, you know.
I like that game, yeah.
I don't like it either.
You don't like it?
I like it.
That one no win nothing from the start.
Oh,
So when you usually go sleep and them thing there, or that game they don't play.
Eh?
what is sleep, bro?
Like
It's just 9:42.
no,
It's not 42.
He's in LA. He is in LA.
I am not in LA. I am in. Oh, you're in Texas.
bro, it's 12:42.
He is
Okay,
in
whatever.
LA.
Over here, it's
I'm in the
12:42.
Bay Area.
It's 12:42 over here, so
So do we want to play another game?
Yeah.
yeah, one more.
You're on the West Coast, my G.
Yeah, play one more, then I'll go to bed.
Billiard.
Okay, so outbid your opponents for absurd art drawn by players themselves.
But this says 3 to 6.
Bomb core.
New one.
1 to 4.
That says 1 to 4.
That's 1 to 4. Cold brew, huge explosion, or tiny fart. Which to choose is the sound effects game that will leave you.
That's sound like a something to fix here.
Alright, let's play Eros.
That sound like something for
G,
Oh,
D,
oh,
F.
I forgot.
I don't want to be the first
Oh,
one.
G, Z, D, F.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't know what this game is, by the way.
Why do I always get some ugly?
You didn't always. You got one to where you got to the thing. You
Which
want
one? You got a yellow guy?
Yeah. I got a toaster.
Play.
You're muted, by the way. Is this what you call a Tamagotchi?
Yeah, it
Oh,
would be.
rough enough. By the Roger, click start.
Roger, click start.
Why is Roger in control?
First person that enter.
Oh, I thought it was Dominic.
I think it's very racist that I got a monkey.
Earwax. I'm Mother, and I will be your host. Okay, now listen up before we get going. You're going to get 6 sound effects on your device. One of you will be the judge. The judge selects a prompt. The rest of you, you choose 2 sound effects that you think go best with that prompt. Once all sound effects are in, the judge will choose a winner. Get
What?
3 points first, and you win it all. See that
That's
code?
nice.
Join our audience at any time.
I'm gonna know what happened.
And vote away. Shall we?
So who can explain the instruction?
Prompt time. Pick a good one.
He's gonna give a prompt and we have to make a sound effect that matches.
Yeah, that best goes with it. It's like, what you call it? What again, my name?
The prompt. A little known but effective birth control technique.
Oh no.
Time to pick 2 sounds.
Oh, I thought I could hear it. That's
This is so dark humor.
pretty good.
I wish I could hear
I
it.
made a mistake on the first one.
Oh, it's 2 you have to choose. Okay.
So it's true.
Alright, this round don't count. Good.
You can tell Mother
Pressing
that.
a couple of buttons is more difficult than I had previously thought. A little known but effective birth control technique.
That was an accident.
What?
What the hell?
Welcome.
There's one clear we know.
Ah!
Wait,
That's just funny. That's not. That don't go with it.
No.
A little.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
There's two funny ones.
Okay, there's one funny one for me. Wait, I didn't get to.
Wait, I didn't vote. Yeah, that. Oh, Dominic chose.
Yeah, the judge chooses.
That was funny.
Thanks, guys.
You are now 1 point richer.
So,
The first one was funny as well.
What'll it be?
yours was funny, Sam.
The one with the baby crying was funny.
No, it wasn't.
No.
The one with the suction was funny.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's the one I would have picked.
The which one?
Prompt time.
Oh, I think.
Most of Twitter. Select your sounds, everyone.
None of these are good.
Oh man, Twitter rough, you know? Twitter rough bad. I'm afraid of Twitter, you know?
It's so funny.
I think mine perfectly describes.
That's good. That's facts. That's true.
Okay, yeah, that's
That can work.
No. Twitter is very explosive.
Follow me on Twitter.
Follow me, I'll cool it up here.
I don't know my handle, but it's on my YouTube. That's true.
No, that's gonna win.
That's win.
Gonna win.
That's kind of accurate.
I don't know why, but porn hardly pops up on my timeline.
It don't pop up on mine either. So
Same, I just typed it in.
why can I vote?
The judge has
Oh.
decided, and the winning sounds are. The point is yours.
Damo. You know me follow Damo and she never follow back.
I'm the judge.
I did follow you guys.
No, you did not.
You
Alright,
told me
Romando is
first,
the judge. Romando
I
have
think
my
I
kind of
twice and I followed you back. I have it on my two of them on there.
But that must have some on my water.
Oh god.
Make me laugh, guys.
I got lame choices.
Same.
Kanye without the auto tune.
Follow Game of Love. Let's be lucky against some too.
Come now, pushing two buttons isn't all that hard, is it?
Yeah.
Kanye without the auto tune.
Nice.
Help.
Oh wait, it was 2 buttons.
Jamaican DJ. Okay. Good luck, Grandma.
These are trash.
You're out of vibe.
There's one that I'm going with. I'm going with this one.
A winner has been selected. The sounds chosen are.
Oh.
Cause him to talk gibberish.
1 point goes to you. Way to go.
Can't believe you this is easy like that.
The judge. Select your prompt.
Eight. You're being timed by the way, Domo.
Yeah, pick up prompt, please. 2, 1.
And the prompt is
Sometimes we don't know what was it.
execute a prisoner. Time to choose your sounds.
Obvious.
Oh my god.
If I don't win this one.
Why do I get these weird ones?
No more candy run.
The humane way to execute a prisoner.
That's not human.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I didn't even get anything like that.
No, that is not human at all.
One of them is actually a weird. I'm just
Bye bye.
I like
What was it though?
Humane because it's bye-bye.
or whatever. Or if it, I mean, my one was electric chair. That's actually a weird.
1 point. Congratulations. Judging this round will be pick your prompt.
Okay, Dimmel is weird, so let's go.
This is the weirdest thing.
Today.
Oh, you don't put excellent cards against humanity.
Yes, Dimmel should join for that.
Players, select your sounds.
What? Wait, you can enter your own?
I did not
Yeah?
know.
You know, yeah, go out with a man in time, you know.
I don't know.
The one that makes me laugh the hardest.
Give me the free key, so you know, yeah, go out with a man in time, you know.
This player's morning routine.
That's easy.
That's very easy.
That person win.
That's nasty.
Yeah, that's pretty.
I wish.
That's very accurate. Perfect. Not funny.
Good answer.
No, that wrong.
Nobody knock on.
No, but knock. Which one?
This one was a giveaway.
Judging is done. The winner is
Apparently, what?
What?
That's the only one that can actually in a morning routine. Well, except for the pork.
Well,
Yeah, what?
Him know it was Tamoy, that's why. She WhatsApp him and tell it. Yeah, man, a that gone.
Oh, look, it's me.
Tamoy WhatsApp him and say.
I don't know.
Why did you take so long to choose?
Wait.
the prompt is the hardest yoga position.
Mm-hmm.
Choose those sounds wisely.
I have such bad.
Bro, these so trash.
Yes.
Yoga?
The prompts are trash.
I've done the wheel yoga.
I started yoga last night.
The hardest yoga position.
Not bad. What?
How you golfing?
None of these don't make sense.
May take a while.
How that makes sense?
It have to make sense. I thought funny points.
But none of these their positions, their sounds.
This may take a while.
What part? Oh.
Oh, it's still going.
You know that's true.
But you know, it look your muscles all over your body, you know.
Judge,
I know which one I would vote for.
I'll give you the thumb.
a decision has been made. The chosen
What?
sounds are
I would vote for that as well.
How long is the part?
Those are all in.
Imagine if you're a sound engineer, you have to record a part.
choose the next prompt.
Yay! Just give me one or let me win.
Nobody not choose mine on. Sad out here.
Right. Our prompt will be when you reach the very end of YouTube.
If it
Select
have
your
my
sound,
channel
everyone.
on it. I guess.
When you reach the very end of YouTube.
That one was actually kind of it.
Okay.
Not there, you idiot. Stop.
Welcome.
Are we going for the one that makes sense?
You? You?
A lot. This is going on.
You're not done.
No.
Seriously?
Let the judging begin.
I don't like none of them.
The judge has decided, and the winning sounds are.
Mine actually made sense though. Droid and then stop.
That no make sense.
It's the end of YouTube, so you stop.
Easy peasy.
What?
You might win. I don't remember you having a point.
Ultimately.
I did that one for the
This
animals.
player recites the most likes, but I like you all equally.
I did not win one.
I got no win.
I did that today.
Hey, I won one.
I like Fibage.
Oh,
I think I don't right, but she has no point. Well, at least I didn't come last.
At least I won something.
None of them did, yeah. None of them.
So
I
good.
took one.
The quick flash one was funny.
Sorry? Oh, okay.
I still burnt a more for the loss on the imposter game, by the way.
I'm not done for that.
I use my ignorance to
You guys,
my suspicion.
You're the one, you're the reason I'll be the
Suspect Rat at all.
I said it wasn't me.
you guys should have listened to Rogeria.
Yeah, I don't understand why Dominic was so aggressive though.
Because he was the imposter.
No, not fuzzy, Domo.
Oh, remember she's third imposter. Even among us, she's always third imposter.
I'm not a third imposter, daughter.
Y'all find a better Jackbox or a different online game, let me know.
Do some research. Poker night. I joke. But
Some
nah,
kind of, you know?
Okay, so I guess I'm ending
Oh,
it
damn.
there.
Was the same one left, and I think you guys want to go on to bed.
Yeah, I headed to bed. It's
Come
less
away.
than
Come away, I'm so proud of you for staying
Okay. Okay,
to one.
boom.
Alright,
I
y'all
know
be
that they bit on
y'all
your
be good. Stay safe and healthy.
Yeah, but next week them time I'm going to see me again.
Wish
Bye.
out.